Today we see addition and subtraction of matrix exercise 3.17. A 1934 8 minus 3, B 5733 10. Then verify that A plus B equal to B plus A. First we add first row first number, next first row second number, next second row first number, second row second number we can add. We can same order only we can able to add, that means 2 into 2 order. This is order 2 into 3 order. First we count the row 1 2 3 3 into column 1 2 3 into 2 order. This also 1 2 3 into 1 2 3 into 6. Both A and B same order, so we can able to add. Suppose this is 3 into 2 2 into 3 order, we cannot able to add. The same order only we can add and subtract. First sum A plus B equal to B plus A. First we see left hand side A 19 A plus B we can write. First we add first number 1 plus 5 6. Next second number 9 plus 7 16. 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 3 7. 8 plus 1 9. Minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Left hand side. Next we take right hand side B plus A. First we write B plus, next we should write A. First we add first number 5 plus 1 6. 7 plus 9 16. 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 4 7. 1 plus 8 8. 0 minus 3 minus 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Same number 6 6 16 16 6 6 7 7 9 minus 8 plus 1 9. Sum is over. Next second question. If A is equal to this is, B is equal to this number, C equal to. Next verify that A plus bracket B plus C is equal to bracket A plus C, A plus B plus C. First we do in the bracket, after only add A, C. First we take left hand side. Left hand side first we do bracket only. In bracket have B plus C. Should write B plus C. We can add 2 plus 8 10. Next 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 4 8. Next 1 plus 1 2. 9 minus 2 7. 2 plus 3 5. Next minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. The same symbol we can add and put the same symbol only. The different symbol we can do subtract and put greatest number symbol. It's 9 minus 2, so different symbol we can subtract. 9 minus 2 7. Next the greatest number 9, so 9 symbol is plus 7. Next minus 7 2, different symbol, so we can do subtract. 7 minus 2 5. Greatest number 7 symbol is minus 5. Next 1 plus 4 5. Minus, so same symbol, so we add 1 plus 1 2. Next we put the same symbol only, minus 2. Next we add A plus bracket B plus C. We write A. Next B plus C 10 6 8. Next 2 7 5. Next minus 5 minus 2. We add 4 plus 10 14. 3 plus 6 9. 1 plus 8 9. Next 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 7 10. Different symbol 8 minus 5 3. Greatest number 8 symbol minus, so answer minus 3. Next 1 minus 5. Different symbol, so we subtract. 5 minus 1 4. Greatest number 5. Symbol of 5 is minus, so minus 4. 0 plus 5 5. Minus 4 minus 2 same symbol, so we can add and put same that symbol. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6. This is 1. Next RHS. RHS A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C bracket. First we can add bracket. A plus B equal to, write A B. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 3 6. 1 plus 4 5. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 12. Minus 8 2. Different symbol. So you do subtract. 8 minus 2 6. Greatest number is 8. So you put this symbol minus 6. Next 1 minus 1. This also different symbol. So we subtract. 7 minus 1 6. Greatest number 7. 7 symbol minus 6. Next 0 plus 1 1. Next minus 4 minus 1. So same symbol we add and put that symbol. 4 plus 1 5 minus 5. Next A plus B plus C. A plus B, what is this? 6 6 5 3 12 minus 6 minus 6 1 minus 5. Next we add 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 3 9. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 1 4. 12 minus 2 10. A different symbol we do subtract. 12 minus 2 10. Greatest number 12. 12 symbol plus, so plus 10. Minus 6 3. Different symbol, so we subtract. 6 minus 3 3. Greatest number 6. Symbol of 6 is minus, so minus 3. 6 minus 2 4. Greatest number 6. Symbol of 6 minus, so minus 4. 1 plus 4 5. Next minus 1 minus 5, same symbol, so we add and put that symbol minus 6. So from 1 and 2 14 9 9 4 10 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Next find third sum. 1 minute. That first sum, first one I do it. Second sum homework. This sum you do it. First you change the plus A, you change into minus A. After we add minus A, you change the symbol. Plus symbol change into minus, minus symbol change into plus. First you change minus A, after you add. This sum homework. Second sum homework. Next third question. Find x and y if x plus y 7035 and x minus y 3004. We do that first equation method 3.1x is that method we use. This is equation 1. This x minus y is equation 2. First we can add equation 1 and 2. X plus y, x minus y. And means y and this is plus y, this is minus y. So this is cancelled. X plus x 2x. We add 7 plus 3 10. 0 plus 0 0. 3 plus 0 3. 5 plus 4 9. This is 2x. The symbol is in between int. So int this side come into divide. So 10 divided x equal to 10 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, 9 by 2. So answer x equal to 10 divided by 2, 5. 0 divided by 2, 0. 3 by 2, 9 by 2. This is x. Next, first we add this equation. Next we do minus x. Equation 1 minus equation 2. X plus y, x minus y, 7035. Already I told we can minus change the symbol. The plus change into minus, minus change into plus. This also change plus. This plus change into minus. This minus minus. So this x minus x cancel. Plus y 2y. 2y is equal to 7 minus 3 4. 0 minus 0. 3 minus 0 3. 5 minus 4 1. So y is equal to this into this side come into divide. So 4 by 2, 0 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. So y is equal to 4 divided by 2, answer 2, 0 divided by 0, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. This is y. Everyone understood this sum? Next, fourth question. A is equal to B is equal to, find the value of B. First question, B minus 5A. First 5A means you multiply 5 with A. After you do B minus A, from B you minus 5A. First sum homework, second sum I do it. 3A minus 9B. 3A means you multiply A with 3. 3 into A, 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. You multiply with 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fours are 12. 3 nines are 27. 3 eights are 24. 3 threes are 9. 3 sevens are 21. Next 9B. So we multiply B with 9. B is 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. So 9 sevens are 63, 9 threes are 27, 9 eights are 72, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 9 nines are 81. So first we find 3A and 9B. Next you do minus 3A minus 9B. 3A is 0, 12, 27, 24, 9, 21. Next 9B, 63, 27, 72, 9, 36, 81. You do minus 0 minus 63 minus 63. 12 minus 27, 15 minus 15, because the greatest number is 27. So you put minus 15. Next 27 minus 72, 45. Minus 45, because the greatest number is 72, so minus 45. Next 24 minus 9, 15. Then because greatest number is 24, the symbol is plus, so plus 15. Next 9 minus 36, 27. Greatest number is 36, so minus 27. Next 21 minus 81, 60. Greatest number is 81, so minus 60. This is the answer. Next, fifth question. Find the values of x, y, z if x minus 3, 3x minus z, x plus y plus 7, x plus y plus z, 0, 1, 1, 6. So we write x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the minus 3, this will come change into plus, so x equal to 3. First we finished x. Next 3x minus z equal to 1. Already we know x equal to 3. 3 into 3 is minus z equal to 1. 3 3s are 9 minus z equal to 1. So minus z equal to 1. The plus 9 come this side, change into minus 9. Minus z equal to minus 8. So minus minus cancel, z equal to 8. Next, x plus y plus 7 equal to 1. X plus y plus z equal to 1. Already we know x equal to 3. So 3 plus y plus 7 equal to 1. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. This plus 10 come the same, change into minus 10. Y equal to minus 9. So answer x equal to 3, y equal to minus 9, z equal to 8. Next second question, x, y minus z, z plus 3, y 4, 3, 4, 8, 16. In between the plus symbol is there, so first you add x plus y. Next y minus z plus 4. Next z plus 3 plus 3. x plus y. Next y plus z plus 4. Next z plus 3 plus 3, because in between plus symbol is there, is equal to 4, 8, 16. First you write x plus y equal to 4. This is first equation. Next y minus z plus 4 equal to 8. Y minus z, 8 plus 4 comes as a change into minus 4. So y minus z equal to 4. This is equation 2. Next z plus 3 plus 3 plus equal to 16. Z equal to 3 plus 3 6. 6 comes as a change into minus 6. So z equal to 10. So we know z equal to 10. So you substitute this equation. So y minus z equal to 4. Y minus z equal to 10, 4. Y equal to minus 10 come this side, change into plus 10. Y equal to 14. So find y equal to 14. So we substitute y equal to 14 in equation 1. X plus y plus 4, x plus y 14 equal to 4. X equal to 4 plus 14 comes this change into minus 14. X equal to 4 minus 14, 10 greatest number 14, 14 symbol is minus, so minus 10. X equal to minus 10. Answer x equal to minus 10, y equal to 14, z equal to 10. Next sixth question, find x and y if x 4 minus 3 y into minus 2 3 is equal to 4 6. So this is symbol is multiplication. So first we multiply that both numbers. So 4x minus 3x plus minus 2y 3y is equal to 4 6. Next we make equation. In between is plus symbols there, so add 4x minus 2y equal to 4. This is equation 1. Next minus 3x plus 3y equal to 6. This is equation 2. We cancel the equation. This number is first we cancel y. This is 2, this is 3. So first equation we multiply with 3, second equation we multiply with 2, because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Now the same number is coming. Next we see the symbol. This is minus, this is plus. So different symbol only is there, so we add the equation. First equation we multiply with 3, 4 3s are 12x minus 2 3s are 6y, 4 3s are 12. Next second equation we multiply with 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 6, 3 2s are 6y, 6 2s are 12. 6y 6y cancel. 12 minus 6 is 6x equal to 12 plus 12 24. X equal to 24. This multiplication change into divide. So x divided 24 divided by 6, x equal to 4. 4 6 are 24. Next we put x equal to 24 in equation 1. Equation 1, 4x minus 2y equal to 4. 4 into 4 minus 2y equal to 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 2y equal to 4. Minus 2y 4. This plus 16 change into minus 16 minus 2y equal to 16 minus 4 minus 12. Y equal to minus 12 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 1 2 is to 6 2s are 12. Y equal to 6. So answer x equal to 4, y equal to 6. Find the non-zero values of x satisfying the matrix equation. So this symbol is multiplication. First we do multiply the symbol. 2x squared, 2 into x 2x, 3 into x 3x, x into x squared, plus 2 into 8 16, 2 5s are 10x, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 16x, 2x squared, 2 8s are 16, 2 24s are 48, 2 10s are 20, 2 6 are 12x. Find the non-zero values of x satisfying the matrix equation. Non-zero values only we find. So first we add, then in between plus symbols there, so add 2x squared plus 16, next 2x plus 10x 12x, next 3x plus 8, next x squared plus 16, 2x squared plus 16, 48, 20, 12x. If we take this first one, this is same, so we cancel everything, so answer is coming 0, so we cannot able to take this one. Next we take this one, 12x equal to 48. This is in multiplication symbol, come this side, divide, so x equal to 48 divided by 12, so x equal to 4. So answer x equal to 4. Solve for xy. We find xy. X squared, y squared plus 2 minus 2 minus y minus 2x minus y equal to minus 5h. So first x squared, y squared. Next this is 2, we can multiply. Minus 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 5h. Next we can able to write, how to write, x squared minus 4x is equal to minus 5. Next we write y squared minus 2y is equal to 8. We cannot able to solve this equation, so we can take first this one, because this x squared, this is y squared, so we use factorization method. Already you know factorization method. X squared minus 4x, this minus 5 come this side, change into plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we multiply any two number, the answer come into 5. If we add that same number, answer is minus 4. We use 2 to 7. 1 5 is 5.